may pa-surprise daw sa akin yung chef dito. Type ata ako. Charot! Ay, ano yan? Ano yan?
Mặn dừa chảo,
What is it in English?
squeeze dumpling.
Goldfish dumpling.
Huh?
Goldfish dumpling.
Goldfish dumpling. Goldfish?
Yeah, goldfish dumpling, squeeze.
I don't like to eat goldfish. It's aquarium fish. I don't like to eat goldfish, Harry.
You won't have that.
It's like the pet of my...
It's not real
Huh?
goldfish.
It's not a real
Yeah,
goldfish.
it's not. It's just the same. Same.
It just
same
shaped
thing.
like a goldfish.
Yeah, it just look like.
Mukha nga siyang goldfish. So cute. Ito naman, mukhang octopus. Oh, eto na. Hello. Lasang hakaw, pero nilagyan nila ng parang kinchay sa loob. Tapos parang may singkamas.